Yo, YouTube, I am back, and to say I'm excited is going to be an understatement. I've actually managed to find some driving empire codes working right now in 2026 that is going to get you tons of free cars. You can get 10 million free money in driving empire using these codes, and I spent a long time searching on Google. I tried all of the largest websites that give you codes. They either give you very little, like for example 200k members gives you $50,000, but I'm going to show you a driving empire code that's going to get you 10 million free dollars. And guys, this is super easy working in 2026. Before I show you how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm always searching for codes for Roblox Driving Empire. So you need to use your mobile phone to get your code now. It doesn't matter if you play on PC or console or whatever. Use your mobile just to get this Driving Empire code, and then you can redeem it in game. So what I'm going to do is go to www.crashcoupons.com. So I've opened up my Safari internet on my iPhone. You can do this on Android as well, and just basically head on over to Crash Coupons. And guys, when you reach this page, because they have hundreds of pages, I do recommend to speed up the process of finding the driving empire codes, use the search bar and just type in what we're looking for. As you can see, it's going to pop up here. This is the codes page for Roblox Driving Empire. There's only a couple of verified working codes, but as you can see, these are super popular. Thousands of people have been using these. So there is a code here, like I mentioned, to get 10 million free money. And you can unlock all cars, which is absolutely awesome. That's probably going to get you even more value than the 10 million, but this one's pretty popular. I used this one earlier, so I'm going to choose this again. But basically, this is going to get you 10 million free cash in Driving Empire. Now, to get your code, you've got to tap on this button, and this is going to allocate you one of the limited codes. You can see at the top there's 558, but they do replenish, so they never run out. I've actually been using this for quite a while, and I believe it limits one code per day per person. So as you can see, I have already done this, so it's preventing me from getting another code, but I can still talk you through the steps. You need to click on this button, and this page here is going to tell you how to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. Essentially, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks, and you need to choose 2 of them and follow the instructions below each one. These are mostly like mobile apps. There's some like mobile games where you have to play them. It is just very important you follow the text below each one that tells you how to complete them. They're all completely free. It takes about 5 minutes. Once you fully complete 2 tasks, it will redirect you back to this page. And basically, guys, your code for Driving Empire Roblox will be displayed here. Like I said, I have already done this earlier, but yeah, your code will be displayed. Simply redeem it in Driving Empire, and yeah, that is going to give you free money and free cars. So head on over, guys, to Crash Coupons. These Driving Empire codes are working in 2026. Definitely the best codes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next update soon. Peace.